You're on. It won't go in at all?
That's it.
Okay, move back. Right, keep going another 6 inches. That's where the water dispenses. Now push. Nothing? Will it go any further?
No.
Okay.
No.
All
A
right.
little bit more?
No, go where your foot is, right there. See where it is right there?
Line?
Go,
Right here?
go,
Ready?
go forward two or three. Okay, good.
A little bit more.
Yeah. So we're going to take that sample. Yes. Push. Yes. Push. Yes. Push.
Oh my.
Push, push, push.
That's all it goes.
Push. Okay,
No,
hold
there's
on.
no more.
Hold on, leave it. Now reach down and grab the ruler and do the depth. Put the depth of the, like that, and then, okay, now pull it up. And how far did it go in? Wow. Wow. That's pretty dramatic. Okay.